Welcome to our channel. Today we will take you to take a deep look at a key piece of equipment that has changed the automotive manufacturing industry, automobile brake tube straightening and cutting machine. Get ready to explore how it plays an important role in automotive manufacturing. This is a 3-station brake hose cutting machine designed to meet the high standards of modern automobile manufacturing. Its innovative design makes the cutting process more efficient and accurate, and the 3-station design means it can process 3 hoses at the same time, greatly improving production efficiency. This equipment has a highly automated design, which can reduce manual intervention, improve production efficiency, and reduce the error rate. It is equipped with advanced tools and precise positioning systems to ensure that each pipe mouth reaches millimeter-level accuracy. Multiple safety protection measures make operation more secure and provide protection for operators. Workers put the tubing material to be processed into the machine to ensure that it meets the specifications. After the machine is started, the 3-station design allows each process to switch quickly and achieve efficient cutting. Whether it is cutting, port processing, or final molding, it is all done in an instant. Each step is subject to strict quality inspection to ensure that each tubing meets industry standards. From cutting to port processing, every link is strictly controlled to ensure the quality of the hose. Look at these high-quality brake hoses. They have been rigorously tested to ensure that they are safe and reliable during driving. Automobile brake tube straightening and cutting machine performs well in many industries. In the automobile manufacturing industry, it is the core equipment to ensure the safety of the brake system. In the aerospace field, the reliability and stability of the oil pipe are crucial, and this machine is the best solution for this demand. In addition, in the field of hydraulic system and other mechanical manufacturing, this equipment can also provide efficient processing services. Through today's introduction, I believe you have a deeper understanding of the automobile brake tube straightening and cutting machine. For more information, please follow our channel and continue to explore the charm of more technological innovations with us.